And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning on this 2011 ElkRidge E22. Nice short, lightweight, fifth wheel, awning on the side, 2 propane tanks, front storage, front compartment storage. We've got a back ladder that allows you to get up on the walkable roof. It's got the pull-out slide for additional storage in the back, so that you want to put those extra coolers or bikes. It's all set up for that. We're going to have nice custom wheels on it. It's just a nice lightweight. It's either classified as a heavy-duty half-ton towable or 3/4 ton. Let's take a look inside. It's really clean. Let's take a look. Alright, so let's take a look first in the bedroom area here. You're going to notice you've got a nice walk-around bed. You've got some overhead cabinets. Coming down the stairs, nice dinette booth setup. Storage underneath that booth, and it does make into a bed. You've got a couch, nice sink, cabinet drawers, plenty of drawers, and overhead cabinets in this unit. You've got a 3-burner stove with an oven and a microwave, nice 2-door refrigerator, television setup. The bathroom in this unit is phenomenal. Large bathroom with lots of storage, nice corner shower. This unit is just a perfect getaway unit. It's short, it's lightweight, it's easy to hook up and go, not a lot of fuss, and this is going to allow you to get into just about every state, national, and federal park across the country. Great unit, very clean, came in very clean, and look forward to answering any questions you might have on it. Thanks. And thank you again for your time this morning. I appreciate it. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010, or you can email me at ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.